Morning, Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. The sun's rising in the background, and we're out here harvesting some okra, and I wanted to show you some. Yeah, we've been harvesting some okra, and you can see how big this okra is. This is hill country. Now, this here would be just a little tough, but I had her leave some go to seed, get bigger so I could go to seed, and you can see we've got a nice big mess of them. But what I wanted to show you was, for those of you that don't grow okra, these okra tends to grow into, some would say, a small tree. As you can see here by the size, this is probably 2.5 inches or so across. There's a few that's bigger than this, but that's the way it does. And this is just in a season. You know, this was a little bit late planting. Some of it's not as big. This up here, my famous line of root knot nematodes, is pretty much taken out. It started taking out from the row here and slowly working back. These here will have to be pulled up. They've got to where they don't produce. This one here is still a little bit at the top, but all its production mainly is at the bottom. But anyway, just a little quick video, kind of on collecting seeds and okra. Just for those of you that don't grow it, okra likes a lot of heat. Of course, we're cooling down now, but it won't stop it from growing. As far as it produces a pretty good bit, probably okra, some every day, some every other day, and they'll keep producing until the frost comes. So anyway, if you want to see more of these videos, just hit that subscribe, hit the bell. Happy gardening.